Hello everyone, welcome to AK Competitives. I'm Mallesh Koram. In this video, I just want to explain you the concept of refraction through a small animation. Alright, consider aquarium. So in which we are going to have water up to a certain level. Okay, we considered an aquarium and we have water up to a certain level. And in this, if you're going to take a particular normal, okay, so you can see clearly water is up to a certain level, then below is water, above is air. So that layer is going to form as interface. Okay, consider a normal now, a normal consider, and now here consider a torch light which is going to throw the light onto that particular interface at that particular point where the normal is taken. Okay, now you can see clearly the light is going to be incidenting on that particular interface and it is going to make an angle I. Okay, it is going to make an angle I. Now here, after refraction, it is not going to move straight, it is bending. How much angle it is going to make? It is going to make an angle of R. Okay, angle of R as shown in the diagram. Okay, so now here, if we are going to do, like suppose, if I decrease the angle of incidence, then you can also see that angle of refraction is decreased. If I increase the angle of incidence, then you can also see that angle of refraction increases. Okay, so this is how the refraction is going to be taking place in any pair of materials when the light is going to be entered from one medium to other medium. Okay, so this is the concept for today's lecture. I hope all of you like the video. If you like it, please like the video and share to others. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel. And thank you all. We'll meet again in the next session with one more interesting concept.